Welcome to Learn with the Burton Girls.
Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm Amiyah. I'm Amiyah.
Come along and learn today. Read, count, and sound it out. Learn with the Burton Girls. They learn from 3 little teachers.
In this video, we will be learning addition. Grab 5 items that's the same. I have 5 beads. You can grab pencils, beads, cues, and anything else you want to grab. Pause the video and come back. We have 1 and 1. This is 1 and this is 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. This is 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. This is 2, this is 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, this is 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 0, this is 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 and we have 5. This is 2, this is 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. This is 5, this is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. This is 2, this is 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 2, this is 0. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 1, 2. This is 8, this is 2. 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. This is 4, this is 4. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. This is 4, this is 0. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 2 plus 0 equals 2. This is 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. This is 2, this is 4. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Great job! Thank you for learning with me today. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep having fun. click the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye!